Here is the old one that the hailstorm busted up. But this tail light is busted. Alright guys, there you go. Well guys, the Jaguar that you guys have watched me do so much work on has been totaled. Probably not going to show up well. I imagine it happened in shipping. Great. $200 for a light, and it's busted. So much for putting that on tonight, huh? We have a problem. So the hail destroyed the tail light on the car, literally decimated it. So I ordered one off these eBay, and I'm really impressed with it. Looks really nice. They had it all wrapped in bubble wrap, and when it came, I guess the mailman broke it throwing it the way they do. But we're going to try and epoxy. I don't know what else to do. They did refund my money, so I thought maybe we could try and epoxy this back together in court.
Yeah. His wife's got stage 4 cancer. He's got prostate cancer. It's more fun than Quaker's got us, bro. You think that turkey hunting's hard? You try to
How
get
come
it.
you're not turkey hunting? 22 pounds. How much does a duck weigh?
I'm going to the cabin in the morning, and I bought my tags. Just
You're saying
they're saying it's total, but it's not total.
they
Somebody else gonna make
they
the
want
money.
to total it, then they want the keys and the title and come pick it up.
Yeah, I didn't get any out there in Hartford, man. All I had to do was sit in a tornado shelter for about 40 minutes. The folk, I mean, I'm in a mobile home now, and that tornado's headed right this way. It's projected to go 2 miles north of me. Man, that thing could bend 2 miles quick. I'm going to the shelter.
They got a shelter there?
I got a tornado shelter right out the back door and underneath the trailer. Built the concrete walls and cinder block walls in the ground. You don't get no cell phone reception or no nothing. It's like sitting in a jail cell. And I ain't never been to one of them son of bitches, and I figured out real quick I didn't want to go to one either. No, dude. But when you woke up out of a somber and that phone goes, and you look up and the tornado headed your way, just touched down the white, so okay, it might be. It's going 8 miles south of Maysville. You're getting shelter. This one's headed your way, buddy. No hail damage, no nothing, just lots of wind and a few limbs down.
So I bought this off eBay and it was in perfect shape. They had it all wrapped in bubble wrap and everything. Freaking mailman, I guess, through the...
I got a pet donkey. You and him will get along just fine. He's something else, buddy. I backed that truck in that driveway. Come see me. Please come see me. You've been gone all week. I know, man. The everything. A whole tote, 4 foot long, 3 foot long by 18 inches wide, about that deep from here.
Oh, when this kicks, it's like that. You can't let it get... It says it sets up in 5 minutes.
Right. You wait 2.5 minutes and put it together. Let it get tacky. It's got to get tacky to the touch before you stick it together. Can't be gooey and runny. It takes very little bit of that. Did you have a bunch of hail damage on it?
You didn't see the cars?
I didn't look. I didn't stop and look, Cam. I just saw your door was open and stopped in for a minute.
Okay, after this sat overnight, here are all the roofers. Everybody getting new roofs around here from the hail damage. We let this sit overnight. Now we're gonna let it sit out in the sun for a while. Harden that any better, but what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna come back and we're gonna epoxy. We're gonna put a bead of epoxy underneath of this. Okay, to do this, I just always use a disposable cup that I can throw away. Our Clear Weld, JB Weld, Clear Weld, quick setting epoxy. It always says 5 minutes, but man, it takes a lot longer. It's 2-part epoxy. Now what I like to do is take Q-tips, just knock the end of them off. And just like Bondo, you want to try and knead it. You don't want to put air bubbles into it is the issue. Mix well. And what we can't get to, we're going to use a toothpick. We're going to cut us a strip of fiberglass cloth and lay in that epoxy. This is way too big, but we're going to try and double lap it. Even those strands are going to help tremendously.
It's like having an open wound and letting everything get to it.
Here is the old one that the hailstorm busted up. We start by loosening that and loosening that, and we're going to peel it away. But before we do anything, we're going to have to, whenever I do something like this, I always want to put, like doing car entry and stuff, I always just put some blue masking tape around it so the chances of me scratching the paint. Okay, one of the first things we got to do back in here is to remove this wiring harness, and you just push this wire down. Okay, with a 15 millimeter, I'm going to loosen this one and this one. There's only two. They're not very tight, but they are a big nut. Okay, now we have a plastic tab. What I use is a pair of lineman pliers to squeeze it and then pushed here at the same time. There we go. It is loose now. Trying not to scratch the paint. Pushing in from the inside. And this rubber piece glued on for weather stripping. So there you go. Okay, this piece here we have to get off to put on the new one. The new one didn't come with it. Okay, once we take this piece off the other one, it is just going to snap on to here, and it gives us a chance to slide. All right. Get that seam sealer stuck back down. That's what reason I changed that one. All right, the hardest part is getting this tab right here lined up and pushed in. There you go. Peel the tape off, didn't scratch the paint, and reattach the wiring harness. Do remember, these aren't very tight. They're going straight into plastic. So I don't even know if I'd put a ratchet on them. It's just plastic, right, guys? All right. And we pray that these bulbs work that came with it. All right, guys, there you go. Replace the taillight from a hailstorm. Now follow me along. We got to do PDR work on this poor car. Look at this hail dent, golf ball size hail. Look at this. Look at this. So I guess we'll be buying a PDR kit. Look at this hood. And now the paint's starting to